Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be unboxing Chica. Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing Chica. There we go, I did it right. Now, so far right now, for the series I have Foxy, I have Freddy. Now, I did originally have Bonnie. I believe so he was actually the first one I got for this series. Fortunately, though, I just found him yesterday after a couple of years, because I didn't know where he was. And then, of course, we have the man himself, which I actually edited, and I really love this. Yeah, he's missing an ear. I'm gonna reattach it when I get the chance to. Probably gonna do it after this video. But the cool thing I did with Springtrap was I actually made his eyes not glow in the dark. I put LED lights inside of him. It really won't work here, but yeah, he has LED lights inside of him. So, yeah, that's basically the whole analogy. So basically really the only ones I'm missing right now are Bonnie and Golden Freddy, and once I get them, the entire series will be done. So yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, so now weird thing is I'm one of those people that like to actually keep like the boxes intact. I have no idea why. I'm just like one of those people that does that. But yeah, I've been wanting to actually get Chica for a while now. Only because really she's the only one that I haven't gotten before from any series. So yeah, let's pop the damn chicken out. I actually want to be really careful with this though. That's why you be careful with knives, because otherwise you stab yourself. Alright, I got her out. She's not intact though. Why would she be intact? That's the thing. But yeah, here is Chica with Springtrap's right leg. Now, if the Bonnie figure was together, I would actually be able to have both legs. And actually, fun fact, if I hadn't lost Golden Freddy, actually I bought him twice, but if I hadn't lost the newer one that I got, if I still had every character, put it this way, since I got this, if I had those two characters, I would basically have completed the series. Except for Chica, I'm not spending $200 on Chica at Walmart. But yeah, but I mean right now I have 3 down, so now I only have Bonnie and Golden Freddy to go. So while I have Mr. Spring Boy here, why don't I put the leg on him? Now, something cool I think I did with him was I actually hollowed out the entire body, so that gives it kind of a more, like, realistic look to him. But, yeah, I think he looks great right now, even if he is missing the ear right now. But, yeah, that's Springtrap so far. But on to the main character herself, Chica. Now, yes, all of you might be saying, well, Salim, what about, like, the eyes? What about the what about the pupils? What about the upper teeth? Here's my opinion. I'm not saying I will, I might be able to fix her eyes a little bit. Because, like, what I did with Foxy was I actually grabbed a silver point marker and put it right on the black pupil. So that kind of gives it his more kind of like, look from F1. Kind of the same thing with Freddy here. So yeah, I might be able to do that with Chica here. As for the upper teeth, I actually think that it doesn't look half bad. But I think what I'm gonna do right now is actually get rid of them. Might be saying, no, Salim, don't get rid of them. You're gonna ruin the... I'm not ruining the figure. What I'm doing is getting rid of something that shouldn't be there in the first place. If you guys hear any tools, that's my stepfather working outside in the garage. Yeah, so I just removed the upper teeth. I'm gonna have to highlight it with a Sharpie after, but yeah. Now, all of you might be saying, wait, Salim, why does Chica not come with a peg that, she could hold Mr. Cupcake in? Well, I'm actually gonna fix that problem. So what I'm actually gonna do is, I think, maybe right now, I'm going back and forth between gluing it and just letting it be if I want to take it off or not. But I think the best option to do is to actually glue it right now. So, yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go glue Mr. Cupcake. Alright, so none of you judge me for this. I'm using my mom's nail glue, okay? Because, unlike most things, this actually works. Hang on, I see the problem. There we go, okay, it should come out now. Okay, this is gonna be harder than I thought. There we go. So just give that a second to dry. This thing actually helps a lot with a lot of the stuff I do. Sometimes with like even the clay tutorials I actually do sometimes use my mom's nail glue to do this. Only because it doesn't like support the thing when it stands. It should be good now, I believe. I hate this so much. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pause it and I'll be right back, guys. Well, that was a bitch trying to glue. So, yeah. But here we have Chica the chicken. So, my thoughts. I actually really like this. I like the sculpt, I like just the character itself. I actually really like this. Yeah, so I literally had to like glue the cupcake on. I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to just to keep it together, you could. But I mean, yeah. So we have 3 of them now. It would be 4 if Bonnie was together. Yeah, no, Foxy really isn't movable right now. Because, I mean, I had to... It's so weird. Like, it's... Whenever I get... No, okay, get this, get this. Let me move these guys out of the way so I can explain this. Like, it always seems like whenever I get a Foxy figure, like, it's the first one to break. It's so weird. Like, the first FNAF figure I ever got, which was Nightmare Foxy, he broke immediately because he fell off the counter and his ear broke. Then we have Funtime Foxy, who freaking was so easy that he literally just broke easily. Then we have Rockstar Foxy, which basically his peg leg just... Before I even got the chance to look at him, his... Not the joint, but the joint that goes inside of his leg, it just completely came out. And now we have Foxy, which... Literally, like, what happened was I ended up accidentally... Oh, wait, you know. And it was almost deja vu with Rockstar Foxy. Like, as soon as I, like, opened him up, like, this foot literally just came out of it, just came out of his leg. Like, I didn't even do anything. The thing just completely came out of his leg. And then later on, literally, like, by mistake, I accidentally dragged this leg on piece of metal, and I didn't even, like, yank it. Like, the thing literally just lightly dragged, and the foot just couldn't stay in its place anymore. Like, the entire joint cracked. And then we have this arm that literally I barely, like, maybe I dropped it like this high off of a piece of wood. The entire arm joint just shattered. Where it connects to the body, it just shattered. It's so weird, but like, I mean, that's that so far. But yeah, that's pretty much it. As for Springtrap, I'm actually happy that he's standing now. instead of like, you know, just not being able to stand. But yeah, I think he looks pretty good. Sorry, Foxy. But yeah, I think he looks pretty good. So guys, thank you so much for this unboxing review for Chica. If you enjoyed, like the video, smash that subscribe button. Something I haven't mentioned before, I have Instagram, and basically capital, it's no spaces. It's at capital E, everything hell of a boss. That's my Instagram. My DeviantArt is capital S 41 capital I and then capital M. And my Twitter is Sergeant the Fox. So yeah, like the video, smash the subscribe button, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye.